Enabling applets is the fastest way to get your apps and devices working together. There are tens of thousands of published applets to choose from. Search through the Explore page to find published applets, or visit a service page to see what applets have been published for your connected services. To enable an applet, all you have to do is click on one and tap its Connect button. Then follow the instructions for any additional steps, such as connecting your account with IFTTT, setting up your location, or choosing a certain day and time. Find your favorite services on IFTTT to find useful applets and get inspired to create your own. You can view and edit the components of any applet by clicking Settings. Now you can see the applet's trigger, query, filter code, and action. Customize the fields by clicking them and making adjustments. Enabling applets is just one way you can use IFTTT to make everything in the Internet of Things and all of your favorite apps and devices work better together.